dog, which is practically mine.
It is
mine. Okay, her name is Hannah. It's a girl. Say hi,
And
Hannah.
she's up for adoption.
No, she's not.
Dude, she's not. I adopted her. Okay, this is I Stupid Hannah episodes.
This is Hannah episode. That's a dog.
It's I Stupid, a new dog in the park.
Okay, look, we got something to say for the people who go to BBMS. If you're watching, if you guys are watching this, we're gonna have I Stupid tryouts. You gotta be stupid, retarded, stupid.
Let me teach you tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow's on the line.
That helps. People like.
Oh no! I know who we should hire. We should hire Bob Bobenfield.
Dude, okay, yeah, Bob.
We
Bobenfield.
need girls.
All right, Bob Bobenfield up for
We
you.
need girls in the show. This is boring with all guys. We need girls.
Okay,
We need girls in the show. We need girls in the show.
Dude, shut up.
Okay.
Okay, Blake.
What?
Okay, so tryouts are starting. Tomorrow is on the line, so we only can hire 2 people. Grant, we got a new person in the shows now. He visited once.
Twice.
It's Grant.
Time.
Okay, it's a stunt time. Hannah episodes. Woo!
Whoa. Got it.
All right, here we go.
Have me a seat.
On a dark night. Hold up. Shut up. Sorry, people.
All the people say Kalamana Panatana Tipos Kalamana Tanamana Tipos Okay.
Alright. Alright. One night on what's the day?
All the people.
Okay, on one night on Monday. Shut up. Okay, one night.
Look at you.
On Monday, February 2nd. Grant.
Hey, February 5th is my birthday.
Point at Grant. And Blake. I mean Grant and Kane. The little air bumper. Dude! You're pointing it right at his huevos, dude. That's disgusting.
You can't even see it. It's so black.
Alright.
Where's the light for this thing? Where's the light?
You racist. Oh, the light.
There.
Dude, turn it back on. There you go.
Okay, there we go.
Okay,
Dude,
one day they were walking around.
walking around. I'm Stuntman. Don't forget it. I'm Stuntman.
Guys, run! Walk around in the scooter and the bike. It's called Ripcock. Okay. Take your hand out the screen. All right, go. One night on a day, February 2nd. February 5th is Blake's birthday.
Yay!
Okay, they were walking around by themselves. They were. Shut up! They were walking around at Kane's apartments, playing around. Ripping. And riding. When all of a sudden,
Give me your sweater. Go.
get the camera out of my face. It's their shine. It's their shine. Okay, run to them. Okay, come on, let's go.
Don't use the I word and I stupid. Actually, we are actually going to change the name to I tarded or I retarded. I don't know.
Yeah, 2 weeks from now.
Yeah, about 2 weeks from now.
By the way, dude, you are an idiot. You are stupid, right? You are stupid. No.
Okay. All of a sudden they fall. Boom. Fall off your bike. Bam! Fall off the bike. Bam! They felt a bump.
Suckers!
Hey, so what is that?
What is that?
What was that?
What was that?
Guys, I think you guys ran over something, and I found it. It is a dog
It is a dog.
that moves around and walks like people.
Hi, people.
I people.
You ran over this dog. You know how perverted you guys are?
Hey,
Perverted?
what are we gonna do now?
Zoom!
Look how bad you hurt the dog.
Zoom.
You're so beautiful. I'm sorry.
This is my dog.
I'm sorry.
But you just found it though.
Hannah
Zoom,
says I'm
zoom,
sorry.
Zoom.
Hannah says it's okay.
Zoom. Up my nose. Hey, kid.
Okay, look, this is
Hey, Blake.
Hannah. Dude, guys, you guys ran over Hannah. Get away.
Light.
You okay,
I'm gonna turn on the light power. I'm gonna shoot at Kane.
Why me? Don't shoot at me. I love you. Not really though.
Okay, you just got yourself a pew pew.
Ah! Boosh. Stop kicking me. I'm kicking your crotch. Oh. Okay, what are we gonna do now? What are we doing now? We didn't make it this far. Dude, stop. We didn't make it this far. Seriously.
Spotlight on the puppy. Gonna zoom in really close to it.
Watch me do my chicken
Your
dance.
huevos are in the way.
Shut up.
Okay.
Zooming into the puppy.
Zoom in. But Grant's gonna do an insane.
Zooming out
Grant,
at
don't
the
even say
puppy.
Dude, watch Grant. Don't do Grant. That'd be wrong.
Do.
Watch Grant.
Go for the gold, baby. Go for the gold.
It's UPS truck. Drop. UPS. Dude.
UPS.
Never mind.
UPS.
You pipe sucker.
UPS.
Pipe sucker.
Yeah, you're a pipe sucker. You dirty
called a
pipe sucker. You suck pipes. You know, like those guys that boil water and they smoke tobacco.
Shut
and
up.
Okay.
That's called a pipe. Do my weevils. Ooh. Do my weevils. Ooh. Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Hey.
Pew, 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 pew. Fight, fight, huevos, fight. Look at the car.
Idiot hole. Oh crap. He isn't. Okay. I'm sorry.
I didn't catch
Ow,
that.
my hands. My hands.
I can't see it.
My hands.
Oh, there's a
Okay, I
person.
can't see it.
Put the camera. Put the camera. Look, people want to say hi.
Okay.
Can you see him? Can you see him? Hold on. Turn around. Look at them. Look at them.
Why?
I want to see.
Dance into the music.
Hi, peoples. You guys are on Broadcasting TV on YouTube.
This is live.
This
Isn't
ain't.
that awesome?
That's a donkey. What are you gonna do now? What are you doing?
Say you.
Let's dance.
Like.
No, Kane.
Shut up.
No, it's just.
Okay, I take custody of this.
You guys can watch our videos on YouTube. Just put in I Stupid.
Gyro 327.
Oh yeah, we will be changing.
Gyro 327.
We will be changing the name to I Retarded.
soon in like a week, dude. You'll bring it, huh?
I'll bring. We are having technical difficulties.
No, I'm getting in.
Beautiful what? Yeah.
Finish him.
Oh, guys, watch out, car. Car.
Ah. Dude, you should brought my watch.
Watch.
Okay, end it.
No.
End the movie.
I want to keep going.
All right. Thank you for watching I Stupid. We will see you guys.
Don't be irritated. This movie had no point to it. You were wasting your time by watching. Cut.
What button do you press?
The big red one.
People say bye to Hannah. Say bye to Hannah. Say bye to Hannah.
No, okay.
Bye, Hannah.
Bye, Hannah.
Soldier Boy tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soldier Boy. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right. I'm in that hoe. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy? That Superman, that hoe. Now why me crank that Soldier